In question number 3, it says write a recursive function to represent the information from your table in question number 1 and your graph in question number 2. So we're looking for that recursive function. So that recursive function, I like to always start out within words, and then we'll transfer that into that function notation. So if we write it down in words, we're looking at the current number of people. So the current number of people is equal to the previous number of people that got the email. And according to that table, we said that we're multiplying that previous number by 10. So if we want to change that into function notation, our current is the number of people. So remember, we represented that number of people with P of D. That previous, we want to take the day before. So the day before would mean we have to subtract 1 from D. So we've got our P of D minus 1, and we're multiplying that by 10. And in order to have a recursive function, we also need to list that first term. So we also have to list down here that our first term, P of 1, is equal to 8. Another way of writing our recursive formula, instead of having our times 10 at the end, you can multiply in either order, and you might see this multiplication come before instead of after. So one other way of looking at this is we could have P of D equal 10 times P of D minus 1, where again P of 1 is equal to 8. So I just want you to get used to seeing it in both ways, one where the 10 is multiplied after, and one where the 10 is multiplied before. And notice that since this 10 is next to this P, I do not need that multiplication symbol. This next to it automatically indicates to me that I am multiplying this previous term by 10. So either order is okay.